Mumbunge wa Kilumbunge cha Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro Niwookilya Maukulyo Yiulu wa Niki Thoowa wa Mauta Nthi Mutui ya Uganda Withiitwe na Kivathukanio Kinene na va Kenya Aiweta Kana Akenya Methiitwe Maithooa Mauta Thoowa wi Yiulu ona Kutwika Mathooa ma Mauta Nthi Yonthe Methiitwe Maitheea ainena na Niki Mauvoo Nyoro Aiweta Kana Kivathukanio ki cha Mathooa kietetwe ni koti mwingi wa Mauta kindu kila gitumite Akenya makua muyo mwito wa Thoowa mwaka mweu ni wasiokethia na elipoti.
Muyumbe wa Kilumbunge cha Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni wa makakuwa na Mathooa ma Mauta vanthi ya Kenya maendeea na kwambata ona Kutwika Mathooa asu maendeea na uthea duniani ainena na Niki Mauvoo Nyoro ni waweta kana ni undu wa kumacha kuona Mathooa ma Mauta kuya Nthi Mutui ya Uganda Maitheea kila ivinda usianisya na vanthi ya Kenya na vala wasya kana koti mwingi na ula wikitwe mautani niwo wende na utuma kila ivinda Mathooa asu mambata.
In all the regional economies that Kenya has the highest fuel prices. What an oxymoron is that? That Uganda, all their fuel requirements pass through Kenya in our port. That the people in Uganda are paying lesser. They are paying less at the pump than Kenyans are paying at the pump. That even with Iran and the rest, that a person in Tanzania today is paying 20 shillings less per liter of petrol than a Kenyan is paying.
Kana na Nyoro ni kana nusu ya mbesa ila siithitwe Ithoowa Mauta vanthi ya Kenya sithawa koti na silikali ni elite ukunikila ingi maundu ma miao isu ithingilila kana a Kenya mathiitikila kuendeea na kuvinyiwa ni Mathooa me Yiulu ma Mauta na Thoowa usu wende na uthea duniani.
When you are spending 170 shillings per liter, half of that goes into taxes and levies. And it is that taxes and levies that has gotten an increase when the global oil prices were falling. So I want to demand and at the same time request the leadership of this country. You must stop all the meetings, your political meetings that are happening now. Gather and find a solution to the imminent supply chain disruptions in fuel in Kenya.
Ilivotia vilingi ya Mauvoo ni Thoowa mwaka mweu.